For many caregivers, self-direction work is personal. Here is what their day-to-day looks like.
What makes my role truly rewarding is that the direct impact that I have with the consumer. So on a daily basis, guiding him through certain tasks and so on. I never thought that I would have such an impact to the job that I'm doing, and especially when you see like a rewarding right away from his face, his facial. He's quite happy when he can do certain things. Kader is, seriously super smart. I started working with him in late afternoon after he got back from the school, got him into the house because they live in Brooklyn. So you have to get him off the bus, loading him up to the wheelchair and get him up to the house. And after that, pretty much go through his daily basis. What did he learn today? Sit down with him, get him changed, feeding him snack or something like that before the dinner. So I feed him. And after the dinner, we get him to the shower, take some bath, and pretty much prep him everything ready for the next day, pack his bag, and make sure that he got everything ready before I leave the house. He has taught me a lot about how we have to adjust our mindset, looking from their perspective with more empathy. I always use the term that you're capable to do it, Kader. You're capable to do it. It's not like you cannot do it. No, you're capable. He dropped things a lot. During the day, he would drop the books, he can drop the toy, he can drop iPad all the time because he cannot control his body. And when he dropped it, he got mad himself. He very upset. So I said, Kader, you have to calm down and really, really focus on your hand. That's how he learned. The good day is when he come home, he's really happy at school. He looking forward to do certain activity with me. Okay, Kader, we're gonna read couple things today. And he looking forward to that. He doesn't distracted by something else. And that's gonna be very smooth day. So after the dinner, we can get him changed, go to the shower, take some bath, and get ready for the next day. You get used to doing that, to think ahead. Okay, Kader, bus coming, we look around and see what's going on around the hallway, around the stoop and so on. If nothing there, it's fine. If anything there, we make sure we move it first. I feel like, it's a direct impact to both of us, between consumer and between me, to be able to do something for another person and to see him smile back, to see him say, hello, Tay, how are you today? And I try to understand, how's your day today? Is it okay at the school? Something like that. Those part is a little tiny thing that, really bonding and trusting between relationship, and see how grateful we all are in the situation that we can help each other and working together. He's like my family. Yeah, he's like my family. It's just a bonding that, you build along the way. It grows over the year. It grows on you. It's just pretty much part of your life. I'm looking forward to seeing him every day. Truly rewarding to me how much the impact that I have to another person, what I have learned throughout the whole process as a personal assistant.
Your people, your story, PPL.